Here's the weather across America.
Well, folks, I got to tell you, my main concern is going to be the central areas of the country. That's where our big, impactful storm system is going to be. Weather Channel meteorologist Greg Bennett here with weather across America. And I got to tell you, that's really the main storm system for the entire country. It's basically clearer weather as you move off towards the East Coast, impressive, intense thunderstorm activity to the central areas, and then out west, we're back into clear skies with a little bit of light shower activity, of course, around the Pacific Northwest, but nothing detrimental. So it's going to be our main feature right here from Texas all the way up into the southern areas of Minnesota for this afternoon. Temperature-wise across the country, it's actually warming up, something fierce for us. Back to normal across the Southwest, upper 80s to Phoenix. We've got the upper 70s off around the Los Angeles, San Diego kind of area, moving into the high desert. We've got 80s in the forecast for the Tennessee River Valley, almost 90s to Central Florida, and a little bit more comfortable across the New England area. Calling for the upper 50s to Boston with sunny skies, winds a whole lot less than those gusts at 35 miles per hour we saw yesterday. So definitely a plus out there. It's actually a decent time to be outdoors across the Northeast. But the ample moisture starting to filter on in around the mid-Atlantic, Charleston, West Virginia in the mountains. Folks, gets up to about 80 degrees today on the approach of this storm system. Warm, moist air filtering on in to this system, and it's going right through the mountains up there. Heavy showers and thunderstorms out towards the west into Texas, but we are looking very quiet and warm across the southeast. It should be very quiet. Great opportunity to be outdoors anywhere from the Mississippi River Valley to the East Coast. But when it comes down to it, we are monitoring that severe storm activity out there from San Antonio all the way up to about Kansas City, Kansas. This is where we have about a 40% chance to see tornadoes out there. We're talking a Torcon level 4 easily. But let's just give you an idea of what we're talking about. St. Louis in general will be a Torcon level 3. We've got Chicago, Torcon level 3 today. And then Dallas, Texas coming in at a Torcon level 4, meaning 30% chance, 30% chance, 40% chance to see those tornadoes develop. Then we've got the hail as well, which is highly likely to occur from San Antonio through Oklahoma City, possible stretching all the way up into Chicago, even the southern areas of Minnesota and Wisconsin today. And that's the same kind of concept into the gusty winds that we could get up to around 55 plus miles per hour in some of these storm cells. So stay weather alert out there. We're going to have a very rough time on the roadways, and we're absolutely going to be seeing some flight delays for the heartland of our country because of this severe weather out there. So be prepared for it all the way around. When we get to the West Coast, it's actually a little bit more quiet, sunny skies. We're talking mild winds off around Los Angeles, stretching up to San Francisco. A little bit of light shower activities to Seattle.